Did you know you can watch this video in your own language? Just tap the setting here, click audio track and select your own language right now. It's that simple. Enjoy the video. Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are driving into a classic, comforting and incredibly seasonally South Indian delight that elevates simple rava to a something truly spectacular. It's our Avarebele Uppittu or the famed Hyacinth Bean Upma. In South India, especially in Karnataka, the winter season is truly incomplete without the distinctive flavor aroma of the fresh Avarebele. This creamy, slightly nutty hyacinth bean are a quintessential part of our cold weather harvest. And we are here to add the savory upma magic that happens now. And when we add them into the savory upma, magic happens. If you have been looking for that savory, satisfying and nutritious breakfast dinner that captures the essence of winter harvest, you are right. So grab your apron, hit that like button and let's start cooking this delicious Avarebele Uppittu. These are the ingredients required to make this upma. Take a screenshot of it. We require some jeera, mustard seeds, red chillies, urad dal and some gram dal and some curry leaves, say around 2 strands. Here comes the rava. This rava is dry roasted rava, nearly a 1 cup and a half a cup of 2 medium sized onions, some asafoetida and grated coconut, freshly grated, and the tomatoes, nearly 2 numbers. And this is the hero, the hyacinth beans or the avarebele, which I had deskinned it, and some coriander leaves. This is grated ginger and green chilies for your taste, salt as per taste, and this is a lemon. This is a totally optional one, and nearly 2 tablespoons of oil. In this cup I have taken 1 cup of rava. That's Bansi Rava, what we call. It's little bit coarse and little bit bigger in size. I have taken this 1 cup and roasted it for 5 minutes in a low to medium flame, and until the rava gets this color, this golden color. So remember, I have roasted that for about 5 minutes on a low flame. Let's keep this aside and have a pan and add nearly 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. It requires a little bit of more of an oil, and we'll add all these ingredients into the oil, and we'll add some curry leaves. At the same time itself, I'm going to add some asafoetida. I'm taking here a paste of this. So this is the asafoetida or hing, and we'll add the ginger which is freshly grated, and we need to saute until all the dal get golden brown and crispy. Now you can see the gram dal and urad dal got a nice color to it. It means that it's perfectly done. At this time we'll add some green chilies. You can add according to your taste. How much ever spice you can handle, you can increase or decrease according to that. So let it cook. At this time we'll add nearly 2 chopped onions, and we need to cook it until the onions are slightly translucent. No need to cook it more. So after that we'll add the hero, that's the hyacinth bean or the avarebele, and we'll add some sea salt. Give it a nice mix, and we need to cook this for about 5 minutes. Look, after 5 minutes these beans and the onions are perfectly cooked. It's nearly around 50 to 60% it's cooked. Now it's perfect. At this time I had already told you that I have taken 1 cup of rava for this, so that we need to add 3 cups of hot water. Do remember, in whichever upma you do, you need to add hot water. Don't add cold water. That's make a lot of difference. Do remember, for every 1 cup of rava you need to take 3 cups of hot water. If you want a little runny upma, you can add another extra glass of water and bring them to boil. Look, the water is boiling. At this time you need to add the chopped tomatoes, nearly 1, and I'll add the grated coconut, and we'll add a half of the lime. This lime is totally optional. If you want little bit of a sourness to the upma, then you can add it, or totally skip it. So everything is done right now. We need to mix it well and allow this mixture to come to a boil. And look at this. This is the technique. You need to just slightly pour the rava in one hand, and another hand you need to continuously stir the mixture. Then it will not get any lumps. This is how the upma should be mixed. And now give it a nice mix and allow it to boil. Now look, turn the flame to low, and when it reaches this consistency, so you can see here it's totally runny now. At this time I'll add some chopped coriander and just close the lid and cook it for about 5 minutes on low to medium flame. That's it. So now look, it's been nearly 5 minutes. Now it's perfect. And there you have it. Our perfect, fluffy, aromatic and deeply satisfying Avarebele Uppittu is ready to be devoured. Look at that, how tender those hyacinth beans are and how beautifully these spices have married with its semolina. I really hope you try this seasonal recipe at your home and enjoy it as much as we do. If you loved this video, please give this a big thumbs up. And to help the channel grow and keep bringing you delicious authentic recipes, remember to follow us on all social media, share this video with your friends and family, and most importantly hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you never miss a bite. Until next recipe, this is Deepak signing off on Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara. See you in next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you.